Okay, students, hello. Today, learn English letter sounds, the letter P. This will be lesson number 2. Let's go here. Let's go to the sheet. Okay, so we're going to start with number 1, okay? And your job is to listen and then write the word that you hear, okay? All right, let me get my word list. Okay, and let me get ready. Okay, get your notebook ready. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, number 1. Okay, listen and then write the word that you hear. Number 1. Okay, and remember, you can always study the words first and then pause and study or pause and read. Okay, number 1. Number 1. Listen and write. Poker. Okay, poker. Number 1. Okay, listen and write. Number 1. Poker. Okay. Let's go to, I'll tell you what, let's go to the notebook. I'll show you a few on the notebook, the first 3 on the notebook, okay? All right, number 1. What was the correct answer? The correct answer was poker, okay? All right, now this as a card game, okay? So since it is an American card game, poker, card gambling game, poker, we can say, let's just leave it at the word. Okay. All right. Let's go to number 2. Okay. All right. You ready for number 2? All right. Let's go back to the sheet. Okay. Listen and write the word that you hear. Number 2. Number 2. Press. Press. Okay, number 2, listen and write. Press. Okay, and I'll tell you what, before we do press, let's get this fixed. Oops. Number 1. What did we say? Let me do this. Okay, so number 1, what did we say? Number 1? Number 1 is poker. Okay, so poker. Okay, so we have poker. Okay. And then number 2, what did we say for number 2? Number 2, press. Okay, so I'll tell you what, let's go to, let me get this fixed. It's trying to write everything in red color. Okay, let's go back to number 2. This one is not cooperating. There we go. Okay. All right, number 2. Let's go to the notebook. Okay, number 2, we said press. Okay. Okay, number 2, press. How do you spell it? P-R-E-S-S. Press. Okay, press. Okay, we'll do one more in the notebook and then we'll switch to the sheet for the rest of them. Okay. All right, let's go back to the sheet and fill in number 2. We said press. Okay, number 2 was press. Okay. All right, moving on to number 3. Okay. So get ready. Get ready for number 3. Okay. Okay, number 3. Number 3. Pop. Okay, this is number 3. Listen and write number 3. Pop. Pop. Okay, number 3. Pop. Okay. Let's go back to the document camera. Okay, number 3. We said pop. How do you spell it? Okay, pop. P-O-P. Pop. Okay, let's fix the sheet for number 3. Pop. Okay. Let's go to 4. Okay, so listen and write number 4. Okay, number 4. Prize. Prize. Number 4 is prize. Okay. Number 4. Prize. How do you spell prize? P-R-I-Z-E. Prize. Okay. Prize. Okay, 5. Okay, get ready for number 5. Listen and write number 5. Okay. 5. Park. Park. Okay, listen and write number 5. Park. Okay, park, how do you spell it? P-A-R-K. Park. Okay. Number 6. Okay, number 6. Okay, 6. Okay, listen and write number 6. Price. Price. Okay, number 6. Price. Okay, number 6. How do you spell number 6? Price. P-R-I-C-E. Price. Okay. 7. Okay, listen and write number 7. Puppy. Puppy. Okay, this is number 7. Puppy. Okay. Number 7. Puppy. How do you spell it? Puppy. P-U-P-P. Okay, double P. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Okay, number 7. Puppy. Okay, get ready for number 8. Okay. Number 8. Palm. Okay, listen and write number 8. Palm. Palm. Okay, number 8. Palm. Okay. Number 8, palm. How do you spell palm? P-A-L-M. Palm. Okay, 9. Get ready for 9. Okay, 9. Pencil. Pencil. Okay, number 9. Pencil. Okay. How do you spell pencil? Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Okay, getting close. 3 more. Number 10. Okay, number 10. Play. Okay, listen and write number 10. Play. Okay, number 10. Play. Okay, number 10. How do you spell it? Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Okay, number 11. Get ready for 11. Okay, 11. Pause. Pause. Okay, this is 11. Listen and write the word pause. Okay, one more. Can you guess number 12? What is number 12? Okay, that was pause. 12. Last one. Listen and write number 12. Oh, whoops. I didn't put 11 up. Pause. P-A-U-S-E. Pause. Okay. The S has a Z sound. Z. Pause. Pause. Okay. 12. Okay. Listen and write the last one, number 12. 12. Print. Print. Okay. The last one was number 12. Print. Okay. Last one. Spelling for print, P-R-I-N-T. Print. Okay, let's go back to number 1 and let's review the correct answers for dictation, listen and write. Number 1, poker. Number 2, press. Number 3, pop. Number 4, prize. Number 5, park. Number 6, price. Number 7, puppy. Number 8, palm. Number 9, pencil. Number 10, play. Number 11, pause. The last one was number 12. Number 12 was print. Okay. That was dictation. Okay, so good job. You got through dictation there. Okay? Okay, students, thank you very much. Have a great day. Enjoy, and we will see you on the next lesson. Okay? All right, students.